We Galwan, we lost 21 brave boys, but we killed more than 60 Chinese. Trust me. China never give any information. Even in 62 war, the casualty was Chinese and more than Indians. We lost more than 5,000, they lost more than that. China has got, that time they never used to have a weapon. एक हथियार के पीछे 5 जवान होते थे. एक को गोली लगी, दूसरा उठा के लड़ने जाता था. ये आता है चाइना. But this time also, we have stood on the rocks and the mountains of, Ladakh. Rakesh's daughter was there in Galwan. Then we have counter-terrorism. If you remember when we were in 90s and 80s, there were so many bomb blasts in Delhi. क्यों होता है? How can somebody come and do a bomb blast in this Sarojini Nagar and we lose 20-30 people? Because we were weak. We were a weak government, we were weak leadership. Our int was very poor. Intelligence network क्या होता है? आप दूसरे देश के अंदर घुस के उसके बारे में पता करो. Who's going to attack you? Who's going to harm you? Like now we are so smart. I have a friend of mine. He went into Pakistan through internet. He went into Pakistan chief's laptop. सारा कुछ इंटरनेट निकाल के ले आया. And Pakistan chief भी कौन देखता है वो पता लग गया हमें. उसके नेट में था सब. So Akshardham we did. This Akshardham, luckily I was instrumental in Delhi का Akshardham जब inaugurate हुआ था. I was the officer who put all the alarm system. And that time I was in NSG, I was a Black Hat Commander in Manesar. So we put all the system that, as Sarika told us, counter-terrorists is that only. Then you counter the terrorists. So Akshardham happened. We have attacks in temple in Jammu. We have all the places. Then we went to, we trained the entity. Then we had to fight them. Imagine the irony of our people. हमारा उस टाइम 1200 जवान शहीद हुआ था. उसके बारे में किसी को नहीं पता चला. Then UN mission peacekeeping also we keep doing. So courage is the norm. Courage has to be there. Whether you bring it up, whether you train it up, that's why वो तो फौज पे डंडा बहुत चलता है. So बंदे में courage आता था. I will use the word फटती हमारी भी जब गोली आती, but फिर चलना पड़ता है. We go. ठीक है? It comes. You get scared. Like when first I was fired upon in the bullet, I never knew गोली आई कहाँ से. पता ही नहीं चला. I was in Siachen. Siachen is the place. In '91, I was an officer of 22 years old. I killed my first soldier in Siachen. So courage है. Then we lead men from the front. That's why we in the world, if you see the record, Indian Army is the only army where the officers' death is more than anywhere in the world. हमारे officers lead from the front. They lead by example. That's why we have officers like Thapar, Batra, Khetarpal, so many of Joginder Singh, so many Bana Singh. They lead from the front. That's why we have lead from the front is the example. These are the few pictures of the army. These are the regiment I was talking about. See, this is the regiment. This is called Brigade of Guards. हर regiment का टोपी, हर regiment का crest liner अलग होता है. There is a way of greeting also. Like Jack Rifle, I am from Jammu and Kashmir. I am from Jai Mata Di. So Maratha का है, एक का हम जीतेंगे. So एक और funny incident बताता हूँ. There is a regiment which wishes each other as तगड़ा. So कर्नल साहब की सिस्टर छुट्टी पे उनसे मिलने गई. So she was healthy. So जवान को तगड़ा मैम साहब. She was very upset. बोलती भाई ये सब मेरे को तगड़ा बोलते हैं. How? Why they insult me so much? I have come here to meet. बोलती नहीं, इस बहन को उनका तरीका है, विश करते हैं तगड़ा रहे दूसरे. Thank God. She used to think कि मेरे को छेड़ रहे तगड़ा रहो. So तगड़ा रहो is a Assam regiment. That's another phenomenal, very strong regiment. They are also headhunters. They chop your head. Like Madras hai, we call it Tambi. We have Marathas hai. Different kind of regiments. Okay? So command men in battle. We are always at war. Even in peace we are at war. UCCI. CI is counter-insurgency operation. जहाँ पर आतंकवादी आ रहे हैं, terrorists आ रहे हैं. Whether it's Kashmir, it's Nagaland. All East is sponsored by Pakistan and China. All weapons, monies, because they want to have unrest in India. They will never let us live in peace. कुछ ना कुछ वो करते रहते हैं. They will brainwash them. Nagaland को बोलते हैं, you ask for a state. They will tell Manipuri, you ask for a state. There are a large number of different people out there. A large number of different communities survive there. You must visit East. It's a treat to watch those people out there. Then camaraderies, we are all from different places. We are from Kerala, we are from Jammu, we are from Madhya Pradesh, we are from Calcutta. I mean, Sardarji will have a Madras regiment. So he speaks Malayali, Telugu. Telugu officer who's commanding Sikh troops, he speaks Punjabi. So this is how we learn. Luckily, I am from Jammu and Kashmir Rifle. I have to just learn thodi bahut J&K, but I know Ladakhi also. Bodhi because I'm from Ladakh Squad. There's another regiment called Ladakh Squad. They are the people who survive in high altitude. High altitude 9,000 feet के ऊपर से बोलते हैं. Indian Army का word है high altitude. 9,000 feet and above is high altitude. After 9,000 feet, there is no vegetation. There are no trees growing that side. This is for the gentlemen to know. Then technology is improving day by day. Every day, new weaponry is coming. Make in India is happening. So a lot of improvement is happening in India. Our cyber guys are getting into foreign countries, banks and nuclear facilities, and in gather ho raha hai. Then all this operation, you know it. You see our helicopters flying all over the countryside for rescue operations. We have Indian Army aviation. We have Army also helicopters. We have Air Force also and Navy also. This happened. Kedarnath happened. It was the Army. More than 10,000 people died. Rescued them from there. Floods. So this is the life in the Army. I mean, I just told you we have all types of adventure activities. Balloon hai, horse riding, camel. We have car rallies. We are climbing mountains just to capture peaks. There is a peak named after me. It's called Shahi Kangri in Karakoram Pass. That time 2000 में Indo-French expedition. Thank you.